Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Ipinagpapatuloy po natin ang ating pakikinig sa Ebanghelyo ni San Mateo at tayo po ay nasa parte pa lang po ng pagsugo ng Panginoong Jesucristo sa kanyang mga apostol. At dito po sa mga pagbasa natin ngayon, ay makikita natin yung two movements in our Christian life. At yung unang movement ay yung paglapit natin sa Diyos. When the Lord invites us to come to Him, and that is the first movement. There is an experience of being attracted to the Lord. Yung nakakalungkot nga lang, parang maski itong first movement ay marami sa ating mga tao o maski sa mga nabinyagan ang tila hindi na marunong ma-attract sa kung ano talaga yung mabuti o pinanggagalingan ng kabutihan ang Diyos. But then the story of coming to Jesus or going to Jesus or responding to His invitation is just half of the story of a disciple, of a Christian, of a follower of God. The other portion is God sends us. And so we have in our gospel reading today, the Lord is sending His apostles. And when the Lord sends us, He sends us to bring the good news. And the good news is Christ Himself. At paano nila dadalhin ang mabuting balita? Practically, in instructions of Jesus, they would not bring anything. They would only rely on the providence of God. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, in this moment of being sent, of going, the Lord is telling us something good will always happen when God sends us, because He is sending us to bring the good news. Isinusugot tayo para dalhin kung ano ang mabuti, ang maganda, ang katotohanan. And beautifully, our first reading today gives us a very concrete reason of the power of God in sending us. Ngayon sa ating unang pagbasa ngayon, Joseph revealed himself to his family, his identity, that he is the Joseph whom his brother sold. And then beautifully, at the last sentence of the first reading, the words of Joseph captures the beauty of our mission, of God sending us. Joseph said, he told to his family, to his brothers, "Now don't grieve and reproach yourselves for selling me, because God has sent me before you to save your lives." Joseph acknowledged that even in the evil acts of his brothers, it is God's way of him being sent in Egypt. God sent me to this place. And then, for what purpose? To save your lives. And so, God meant that sending for a good purpose. Kaya po, pag tuwing isinusugo tayo ng Diyos, He meant something good for us and for those people to whom we will be sent. My dear brothers and sisters, when we are sent by the Lord, something good will always come out. When the Lord sends us, He will always send us to bring along with us the good, what is good, and this good is God Himself. Sana wag tayong umayaw, humindi sa paanyaya at yung nais ng Diyos na isugo tayo. Sapagkat kapag sinugo tayo ng Diyos, isinusugo tayo para dalhin ang mabuti. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.